So with this one, okay, they're asking us to work out the angle x, okay? But notice in the question they refer to the length of the arc, okay? The minor arc being the smaller arc there, yeah? So if they refer to the arc length, you've got to think once again about the circumference of the circle. So I keep going back to that, right? I think about the full circle all the way around, the circumference. So that'll be pi diameter. So that'll be pi times, in this case, 30, yeah? Double the radius. So we get 30 pi. So the full circumference, okay, 30 pi. But we're told the arc bit here is 40, okay? And we're asked to work out angle x. What you need to appreciate then, this arc, 40, is just a fraction of the full circumference. Now, the fraction will be, of course, x out of 360. So the fraction of the circle I'm interested in is x out of 360, or rather the fraction of the whole circumference I'm interested in is x over 360. So times that by the full circumference, it should give me the arc length, shouldn't it? Okay, fraction times the circumference gives me the arc length. But of course we know that's 40, they tell us. So it's just a case then of working backwards with this to determine what the angle x is. Now one thing I do here is, to make life a bit easier, I would times these top terms together, so we get 30 pi x. Okay, so just put them together, essentially, stick them together, over 360 equals 40. And I want you to see then, you can actually simplify this then. The zeros, for instance, cancel. 3 and 36 cancels. That actually becomes 12, doesn't it? 3 goes into 3 once, into 36 12 times. What you can do then is take the 12 over, yeah? So you get 40 times 12. When you take it over, multiply. I'll keep working up here. Now, 40 times 12, or 12 times 40, well, 10 times 40 is 400. So 12 times 40 will be 2 more 40s, 480. So I get that. And remember the question, it says find an expression for x in terms of pi. Well, I've got pi x here, so to get x on its own, I need to take the pi over, and because you're timesing and you take it over, you are dividing. And there's my expression there for x in terms of pi.